What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Got my boy Chivito's Hellcat right here. We're gonna be doing a catback exhaust on his Hellcat. No, it's a catback. We're gonna be doing some Corsa. What are these, Corsa Extremes? Yeah. Corsa Extremes on this bad boy, this badass car. The dual tips, quad tips, whatever. This is my first time actually. No, I've worked on Brandon's Challenger before, but we didn't do your exhaust on yours, right? No. Yeah, well, this is like, oh, we just did headers, but we didn't do like the catback, the actual exhaust. So this is gonna be a first for me. I don't know about them. So hopefully it goes smooth and we don't come across any issues, which I doubt, because every time I work in a car, it's always something going on. But we're gonna try to, you know, go through this as fast as we can. And there's not gonna be an install video. It's gonna be, you know, like, you know, here and there. We're gonna try to record as much as possible. But yeah, we better jack up the car, put some jack stands, and then we'll go from there. What's your setup right now? Your exhaust setup? Stock exhaust setup? We won't do before and after. She didn't even turn on.
The hood's open. It doesn't do it with the hood open, Bobo.
Let's close it. Go! I'm about to go close it. Hurry up and go inside. See, we're not gonna get shit. We're not gonna get things done like this. We're not gonna get things done like this. So I close the trunk too. This shit's dirty.
Several days later.
That's pretty good. Oh, last time I saw it, he was still on the stock tires. Now he has some Weld B-locks. 17s, right? 17s? Yeah. Some Hoosiers. These things are nice. Give it a little rip. Alright, well, we're about to jack it up and then we'll go from there. Right, so we got the car lifted on all four corners. I don't know about safely, but we got it up.
Yeah, and we also like to have Chivito on all fours.
And then now we're disconnecting the
valves.
The valve.
They're disconnected now.
What are they called? The electric valves.
Yeah.
We're gonna take that off and then we're gonna disconnect. This is how we're gonna do it. I don't know how it is, but we're gonna disconnect it from here. It has two, what are those, 15s? 2 15 nuts. We're gonna disconnect that. We're gonna take, does it have a bracket over here?
Yeah, like a bracket, some shit.
We're gonna disconnect this. We're gonna take this bracket off. What are those called? Exhaust hangers? Yeah. We're gonna take that hanger off. It has two over here. We're gonna do that, and then it has
just take the
probably two more over there by the mufflers. And then we're over there, no? By the back, by the mufflers.
By the mufflers.
And then
damn, how many fucking weights you need?
look at his weight,
dude. That's a lot.
Look at the weights on his tires. I'm pretty sure that's normal. Oh, and then yeah, we're gonna do that. We're probably gonna struggle right now because we don't have the little tool to take them off. But so we're gonna do it with some pliers. Yeah, once we're done with that, we'll get back with you like in a couple hours. Okay, so it's almost off. We took it out from the hangers right there, and now they're trying to unbolt it from. Well, it's already unbolted. It's just the clamps, I guess, are rusted on, and they're trying to hit it with the rubber mallet and with a pry bar, trying to open it up, open the clamp up. Hold on, let me put the camera down real quick. Yeah, ahorita.
It's hanging, so I'm putting pressure over there.
Yeah. Ahí va, ¿no? Ahí va. Wiggle it, pull it out. Allá wiggling the whole car. No, pues ni modo. No pasa nada.
Raise it up more.
We can't, it's already hitting the fucking thing. Just go like this. Just go home like this.
It's going.
You gotta. Ahí va. Feel it. Sí. Ahí va. Hold on. Oh yeah. Got it out. Man, that's pretty heavy. If anybody wants a stock exhaust off a Hellcat for sale, 1,000, and y'all can do the other 2,000 in payments. So let me know. Hit me up on Instagram at DVRK3V, and we'll install it for another additional fee of 1,000. Yeah, that sounds like a pretty good deal. Man, I'm tired. I wasn't really doing nothing.
And my chicken.
You said what?
And my chicken.
Oh yeah, McChickens also. Damn. Does this fit any Challenger? RT, Scat, or only for Hellcats? Oh, because of the valves? Well, just Scats and Hellcats hit me up. They didn't go for cheap. About to turn it on. This is basically dump setup. Sounds good. It's not that loud. It's not gonna be louder. Man, that shit sounds loud though. Can you rev it from there? Can you rev it from your controller? I'm gonna get a little rev. So we just put the valves onto the new piping. It was pretty easy to do. I was the one that did them. I did both of them. You know, it just has 8 nuts on each side, on each valve. Put that on. We're about to assemble it. Use clamps, and then yeah, pretty much that's it. It's been pretty. It's been flowing pretty smooth. We haven't had any issues as of now. But you know, I'm pretty sure we're gonna come across an issue, because you know I always come across issues. But yeah, we'll keep going. Alright, so we got the mid pipe on, right?
Boy, we got the mid.
No, I'm over here helping too. Alright, did it come with a stock X también, no?
What is it?
Yeah, it comes.
Stock X, resonators,
Mufflers, and this is the coarse X pipe, mid pipe, whatever. And then it's not gonna come. It doesn't have resonators, right?
No.
And then the piping for the valves that goes here, and then the Corsa Extremes up back. Yeah, just those basically. All right, so what now? What do we need now? The valves?
No, the other ones.
Oh, the other ones. And man, you can pass us the other pipes, the 2 pipes over there, with the brackets. So y'all need clamps now, right?
Yeah.
All right. That feels good. Which one's this one?
Right. I don't know how to put these in. I don't know how these go.
How did these go? Let me figure it out. Let me figure out how this goes, and then I'll get back with y'all. Take it off.
Let me slide you in.
Pause.
It's tight.
This is
tight, Brandon?
You should already know.
Okay.
Hold on. Was there a phenomenon in here? Where'd he go?
I'm learning.
No, hold on. I'm gonna see if he has Loctite first.
Does it fit?
Oh yeah, not bad, Brandon.
How you gonna tell me?
That's what it
Come on.
That's what it
Really nice.
You're freaky, dude.
Hold it.
Because if not, you're gonna snap the
All right, so
You want content?
I'm already provided the tools. All right, so we just got the other part of the mid pipe on.
Me and Chivito.
It was kind of hard. We struggled a little bit because we didn't know how this went, but we just put 2 bolts, 2 nuts or whatever in between the little bracket thingies. So now it's on. So now we got to put the piping that has the valves onto the hanger, and then we got to connect the connector onto the valves, and then just put the mufflers, hang the mufflers, and then try to make sure that they're aligned or, you know, similar, sticking out, whatever. And we should be good. You already got the clamp?
No.
I always got the tips on with me and Carlos and Manny. We got the tips on. Exhaust is already assembled with the X pipe. No resonators. Valves are on. Connected. Tips are on. Kind of straight. Yeah, they look pretty good. Right now we're gonna get a little warm start. See how they sound. A little couple revs. Hopefully, it's louder than it was. All right. Watch the muffler just flies off. Sounds good. All right. I'm gonna get a little rev. I like it. Good. That sounds nice. Yeah. How do you feel? You like it? You don't? Yeah, that sounds good. It sounds deeper. Imagine a co-start. What are we gonna do your headers?
I sold them, right?
I mean, open the valves and close them.
It's just, don't put it in a sport mode.
That sounds good. Sounds nice. That's probably gonna be it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think down below, how it sounds. Let me know if you guys like the exhaust, and hopefully it wasn't a too in-depth video of how to install it, but, you know, I was just, you know, it was a little quick review install video. We're gonna wash Chivito's car right now, and then we're gonna go shoot. Me, Manny, Carlos, and Brandon and Chivito, we're gonna go take some pictures of the cars. But yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll catch you in the next one.